September 1st, 1923, Japan is rocked by one of the deadliest earthquakes in history. A massive 7.9 magnitude earthquake strikes the Kanto region, leveling cities in minutes. But the worst was yet to come. Fires ignited across Tokyo and Yokohama, turning them into infernos. A tsunami followed, with 10-meter waves crashing into coastal towns. Over 100,000 people perished, and false rumors led to violent massacres of ethnic Koreans. But from the ashes, Japan rebuilt stronger, creating the earthquake-resistant Tokyo we see today. Now, September 1st is Japan's Disaster Prevention Day, to never forget this tragedy. Follow for more history in 60 seconds.